were Marcos, Jesus, Carlos, Alonso, Daphne, Adrian, and I am. A calorimeter is an instrument used to measure the amount of heat supplied or received by the substance that is used for determining the specific heat of a body, as well as to measure the amount of heat released or absorbed the substance.
Thermometer is a thermometer made of sealed glass cylinder containing a clear liquid and several vessels of varying densities. As the temperature changes, the individual fluids rise or fall proportion their respective density. It is named after Galileo Galilei because he discovered the principle on which this thermometer is based. That is a density of liquid change in proportion to this temperature, and he also invented a thermoscope based on this principle.
Enthalpy allows us to establish if the reaction is exothermic, which is giving energy to the surroundings, or is endothermic, it means to take energy from the surroundings.
Calorimeter is a vessel which contains two chambers. The first one has the reaction to be measured, and the second one has the specific volume of water that we have measured. These two chambers are separated by a wall which conducts heat from the reaction to the water. The heat is mixed with a fan. We have a thermometer to measure the water temperature from the initial conditions to the final condition.
After we use a fan, and on it we put neodymium magnets and support which is made of silicone to hold the first chamber. And in the first chamber we put water and a screw. The screw is used to mix the water and melt the different temperatures. That one is the beeswax that we use as a substance, and this one is the thermometer which we use to calculate the different temperatures. And that one is our final product, and that just need to connect to a power outlet and start to function.
The temperature of wax is 65 and the temperature of water is 20 centigrades. We explain use the math expression that you understand that is the function of the calorimeter. We obtain this fact, this temperature, in this. Replacing this dot is so we replace in this formula and obtain this result.
And then we're going to calculate the heat of first one of the wax, then for the calorimeter, and then for the water. So we have the K for calculate the heat of calorimeter, so we can calculate the total heat. We calculate each heat, and we obtain the results of the heat for the wax, for the calorimeter, and the water too. And we have 303 kilojoules. Well, we made a reply of a calorimeter from volume constant, and if you can look, we have a polystyrene, and this keep the temperature inside in a constant for don't change with the environment, and normally use a charger for introduce the potential for this works.